Xbox.
This video will show you how to replace the display assembly in Inspiron 17R 5720-7720. Check the links in the description below to find parts for this laptop. PartsPeople.com offers 5% off to do-it-yourselfers with this coupon code. Turn the laptop over. Slide the latches over to unlock the battery. Lift the battery out of the laptop. Loosen the screws. Remove the access door. Remove the optical drive screw. Remove the optical drive. Unplug the antenna cables. Loosen the antenna cables. Remove the screws at the top of the base. Remove the screws under the battery. Remove the screws at the bottom of the base. Remove the screws under the optical drive. Turn the laptop over and open it up. Using a flat head screwdriver, carefully push the keyboard locking tabs in to loosen the keyboard. Carefully turn the keyboard over and unplug the keyboard cable. Unplug the palmrest cables. Remove the palmrest screws. Carefully lift the palmrest off of the base. Unplug the cable. Pull the antenna cables through the base. Unplug the LCD cable. Remove the right hinge screws. Remove the left hinge screws. Remove the display assembly. Replace the display assembly. Replace the right hinge screws. Replace the left hinge screws. Reroute and plug in the LCD cable. Reroute the antenna cables. Feed the antenna cables through the base. Plug in the cable. Place the palmrest onto the base. Plug in the palmrest cables. Replace the palmrest screws. Plug in the keyboard cable. Place the keyboard into the laptop and press the top down to lock it into place. Turn the laptop over. Reroute the antenna cables. Plug in the antenna cables. Replace the screws under the optical drive. Replace the screws at the bottom of the base. Replace the screws at the top of the base. Replace the screws under the battery. Replace the optical drive. Replace the optical drive screw. Replace the access door and tighten the screws. Place the battery into the laptop and press down to lock it into place. If you enjoyed this tutorial, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check out partspeople.com where we have hundreds of tutorials and hundreds of thousands of parts. Thank you for using Parts People for your video tutorials.